In yesterday's video, we warned here on the channel about the various top signals seen in Tesla, SPY, QQQ, and many other stocks, and explained why this reaction was particularly dangerous for Tesla shares. And today, we see a materialized bearish reaction, but really, how dangerous is this reaction? This is what we're gonna try to figure out in this video. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, I'm a retail trader. Very nice to see you guys over here. And yes, we see SPY correcting. It seems to me that SPY is trying to approach the 21 EMA on the daily chart. We are still clearly bullish. The trend is clearly bullish. SPY has been doing higher highs, higher lows, trading consistently above the 21 EMA. Any pullback to the 21 EMA could be just another buying opportunity because pullbacks are not reversals. We don't see any crystal clear bearish reversal structure yet, but we do see a pullback to its support levels. So okay, it is making a pullback while maintaining the bullish bias. So this is not necessarily scary. We see QQQ making the exact same thing over here. However, QQQ is a little bit closer to the 21 EMA already. So okay, and it is trying to react already. So okay, we see QQQ approaching its support level. We are trying to react, but just like SPY, there is no bottom signal confirmed yet. As far as I know, the indices still could drop a little bit more. And of course, we could see a sharper correction depending on how the indices close this week, but we're gonna talk about that later. How this situation is going to affect our dear stocks? Well, when we look at other stocks, we see Apple crashing. It is trying to react, yes, but it is just a very weak intraday reaction. It is not a crystal clear bottom signal yet. Microsoft is trying to stabilize above the 21 EMA. Okay, this is a very good signal. Google is also struggling around its own 21 EMA. So see, all of these stocks, they are still very bullish. Amazon is also trying to get back to its 21 EMA. We see Nvidia extremely bullish. We don't see not even the slightest pullback over here. It is insanely bullish. Meta is also insanely bullish. It is still above its main support level over here. Only by losing 453, we are gonna see a real pullback to the 21 EMA. But all these stocks are still maintaining an overall bullish bias, right? Except for Apple, which is more like sideways. But why this reaction is particularly dangerous for Tesla? Because Tesla is still very bearish. It is still in a crystal clear bear trend. It's the only stock among the Magnificent Seven that is bearish. Clearly bearish. You may say, Nathan, we have been moving sideways since earnings, right? Yes, but as long as we stay below the 21 EMA, as long as we don't see Tesla making higher highs, higher lows, the bear trend will persist, will probably persist. And right now, we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction on Tesla suggesting a possible midterm reversal. I do believe that we could see one, all right, because now I'm gonna share my humble opinion, all right? In my humble opinion, Tesla is clearly deserves a bounce. I'm not saying that we are gonna reverse or make a very miraculous, insane rally over here, but Tesla is oversold, right? It is in oversold territory. We see a crystal clear divergence between price and the RSI. The RSI is making an advanced breakout over here, meaning the RSI is already making higher highs, higher lows, while the price isn't. What's more, on the weekly chart, we saw last week a very good bullish reaction, a hammer candlestick pattern right above the support line of this descending channel. So on the weekly chart, so these are very good signals. In spite of this correction, I do believe that Tesla still could recover and try to reach higher levels. What's the problem? The problem is that we are not triggering any midterm bullish reversal yet. Oh, but Nathan, are we triggering bearish reversal structures right now? Not yet as well. Tesla is just moving sideways at the moment. Yes, the trend is bearish, but it is not gonna resume the bearish sentiment as long as we stay above its most important support levels, which we already described on yesterday's video. In addition to the most important support levels, we already mentioned how important it is for Tesla to break its nemesis over here, the most important critical resistance level at 194. So as long as Tesla keeps trading between its most important support and resistance levels, nothing new is going to happen. Tesla could drop a little bit more, Tesla could go up a little bit more, but as long as we keep respecting its most important key points, no bullish reversal will materialize, and no bearish continuation will materialize as well. So right now, we gotta wait for a better crystal clear signal. And this is why Tesla is in such a critical position right now, because if the broad market keeps correcting, Tesla could easily trigger a bearish continuation chart pattern. And in this scenario, we could even possibly lose this descending channel's low, meaning the bearish scenario will get extremely strong. The bearish thesis will get extremely strong over here. And honestly, in this scenario, there is no way to escape, right? Probably Tesla is going to seek its next support levels. It is gonna drop to even lower levels without any rest, without any bounce over here. So it all depends on how the indices are going to react very soon. But of course, the indices are still very bullish. In theory, a pullback over here would be just another buying opportunity. And I do believe we're gonna see many opportunities over there, of course, depending on how the indices react. Allow me to share premium information with you guys today, all right? For instance, this stock over here. This stock, I recommended buying this one at 274, okay, down here. Now is at, yesterday it broke the $800, $800, all right? So this is too much, okay? Don't you agree that this looks over bullish? So don't you agree that a pullback over here might give you a second chance of buying this very good stock at a better price with a better risk-reward ratio? Because buying this one right now is quite risky, it is not advisable. I mean, the good buy was here at 274. Now is just too far away from its support levels. This one over here, Snowflake, which I recommended buying at 202, right now is at $228. Right now, any pullback, don't you also agree that any pullback would be quite interesting to see? A pullback to the 21 MA on the daily chart, very good. This one, Path, Path, I recommended buying over here at $23.63. This one simply exploded, roughly almost 20% in 3 days. So this is just too much. This looks like an overreaction. So if you ask me, any pullback would be very good because it would give to all of us a second chance to buy these stocks. So if you miss it, these incredible opportunities, okay, maybe the market will give you a second chance. And of course, if you don't want to miss opportunities like this, join our Telegram channel, because there I'm always constantly sharing very good trading ideas, trading strategies, trading signals on many stocks that are outside of everybody else's radars. So just join our Telegram channel if you don't want to miss these opportunities. Join us right now, because today I'm gonna share more opportunities over here. There are more stocks that I'm looking at and I'm gonna share with you guys today. So join us right now, all right? So see, a pullback is not gonna be all bad. I do believe that a pullback would be very good. Of course, we gotta wait for a crystal clear bottom signal. Right now we see SPY correcting, but it is not making any crystal clear bottom signal. If we approach the 21 MA, if we even approach the $482 down here, and if we do see a crystal clear bottom signal, I will consider this a very good buying opportunity. Many other stocks that are on my radar will look extremely attractive, extremely appealing, because the risk reward ratio will be just too good to ignore. So maybe we're gonna see another batch of amazing, incredible opportunities very soon. And maybe if we see a bullish reaction, this could be what Tesla needs in order to avoid a sharper correction, all right? So it all depends on how the market is going to react and on how Tesla is going to react around its most important support levels. I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this. So subscribe this channel if you're new around here and click the like button to support me as well. I highly appreciate your support, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye bye.